Hi kids! Welcome to Happy Artsy Kids. So today we are going to draw a car. Are you ready? Let's start. First, let's draw the wheels over here. Just draw a circle. Like that. And then another one over here. Another circle. Let's connect them with a straight line. Like that. And then let's draw a smaller circle for the tire. Like that. And then another one here. Like that. Awesome. And then from here, let's draw a straight line. Like that. And then let's draw a curved line from here to here. Like this. There you go. And let's mark it from here. Like that. And then here. Let's make another curved line. Like that. And a straight line to the dot that we mark. And then now let's draw another line here, like that, and we can just connect the line by drawing a curved line like that. There you go. Great! And then now let's draw the line here, one here, and then one here. All right, let's draw the window now. The windows. Draw a straight line like this. One, and then another one here. One. And then let's draw a straight line from here to here, like this. Great. And then if you see the curved line stop here, we can draw a straight line down here like that. Great. And then let's connect them by drawing the curved line. Awesome. And then let's do a straight line here. Stop. And then a straight line here. And stop. And then let's draw the curved line. Connect the lines like that. Great, we're almost done. And then let's draw a rectangle here. So straight line, and then connect them. And let's draw the front light, a circle like that. There you go, you're done. Now let's color. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.